From the developer portal, visit Get Started, and you will find instructions on how to run Enonic on your operating system. Step 1. Install the CLI. We'll be using a Mac in this demo. Get the formula from brew with the command brew tap enonic/CLI. Then type brew install Enonic. This will download and install the CLI on your machine. Run the command Enonic. The CLI is now running on your local device. Step 2. Build your first app. Type Enonic project create. Specify the repo parameter and the app HMDB. This instructs the CLI to use the headless movie database repo on Enonic's GitHub account, and use that as a template for the app. Name the project, place it into a folder, and determine the version. The project is now being set up. Create a sandbox, and choose which version of Enonic you want to use. Go into the newly created folder, myproject, and then use the command Enonic project build. If you want to run the app in your local sandbox, write Enonic project deploy instead. Step 3. Deploy to the cloud. Sign up to Enonic Cloud via cloud.enonic.com. Log in and create a new solution using the CMS Essentials template. Here you can see your environments, each containing separate instances of Enonic XP. Please wait until the environments have started before you continue. The right panel includes details related to your chosen template. Now, let us install your app. From the terminal, type Enonic Cloud login to sign into the cloud. Now you get a pop-up where you need to confirm the device by verifying the code in the CLI. Click Confirm and log in again with your user. The CLI is now connected to the Enonic Cloud. Use the command Enonic Cloud to manage your cloud from the CLI. Let's install an app with the command Enonic Cloud app install. Choose where you want to install your app. In the Cloud Console, go to Applications and you should see that the headless movie database has been installed. You are now done with the Quickstart. Let's finish off by making the app available online. Log into Enonic XP. Go into Content Studio to see the headless movie database. Select the top item for information on how to access the GraphQL API. To go live, you first need to publish the content. Next, you must create a route. Copy the internal path to the live site provided by the info on the top item. Return to the Cloud Console, choose Route, and create a new route. Type in a display name, choose the production environment as the target service, and paste the URL from earlier into the internal path field. The internal path in XP references the site engine, the project, the master branch, and the site route. The next screen determines the domain and which public path you want to use. We use /demo in our example, and skip ID providers. From the Routes menu you can see and visit the live URL on the right side. We strongly recommend checking out our guides on the developer portal. Thank you for watching.